The best way to transfer files using QuickShare on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is by going to the Control Center. If you open the Control Center or Quick Settings, then over here you might be able to find the QuickShare option. So you can tap on this button, you will open the QuickShare menu, and in here we can choose to send, for example. So at the bottom we have the send button that allows you to choose files that you wish to transfer. Over here from this list you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer. In case you cannot find your files, remember that you can tap on this hamburger menu in the top left corner, and here we have many different options to choose from. So you can try to find your file that you wish to transfer. After selecting the file, then you can try to find another device. As long as the QuickShare is enabled on that other device, then you should be able to find it over here, and you can select the other device in order to start transferring files. Besides that, you can also use, for example, the Files app or the File Manager. And in here we can find the QuickShare button as well, which you can use in order to quickly go to the QuickShare. But also, I believe if we open, let's say, a photo, or if we find our file, if we select it, then we should be able to use the Share button in the top right corner, where we can choose QuickShare in order to immediately select files that we wish to transfer to other devices. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.